Hi everyone, this is Maricela. In this video I'm gonna make a potato salad. It's highly requested by family and friends at gatherings. So simple to make, so delicious. So let's get started. What I have here is about 17 of the red potatoes. Okay, I have a bowl of water. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to this water. And I'm just gonna begin by making little cubes. And just add them to the water. And I'm gonna do all the potatoes like this. Don't want them so big or too small. This potato salad, I served it at a meet and greet with La Cocina de Leti. Was her daughters there. They're all YouTubers. Also, there was Carmen Ochoa, her daughter, Abuela's Kitchen, rest in peace, Sylvia. There was other YouTubers too, like Una Pizca de Nosotros. It's ready to be taken to the stove to cook. So I added the potatoes now, and I cover them about an inch, passing the potatoes of cold water. To this, I'm going to add 2 garlics and about a tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna bring it to a boil, and then I'm gonna lower the heat. What I have here, it's 5 eggs that I am gonna start to boil them. Okay, in cold water, I put the eggs in, and it's about 1 inch over. I'm gonna bring it to a boil. It's been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna turn the heat off and leave them like this for another 7 minutes. I have here 2 green onions, a celery stick, 1 bell pepper, and an onion, and I'm only gonna use half. I'm gonna begin by chopping this one. Been like 20 minutes. Okay, they still feel a little hard. Just gonna remove a little bit of this foam. A lot of starch. I'm gonna leave them in here a little bit more until they become fork tender. Okay, the potatoes are done. They're fork tender. I don't want them to turn into mashed potato, just soft enough to be enjoyed. So I'm gonna take them now to be drained. And remember to pull out the 2 garlics. Okay, the onion, the white onion that I chopped, I'm gonna put it in a little bowl with a teaspoon of vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. This way, the onion is gonna be perfect onion. Put this aside. Now with the egg, I'm gonna save the yolk, and on 2 of them only, because I am gonna mix them with a little bit of mustard. This one, I'm gonna chop it in with the yolk. I'm gonna begin by using 1 cup of mayonnaise, I'm also going to use 1 cup of sour cream, mix it well. I have the 2 yolks. I'm going to mix in the mustard. Get it all in there. Make a paste. Now that I have it very well mixed, I'm going to begin to put potato salad together. A little bowl here. I'm adding the potatoes. The egg. The green onions, bell pepper, celery. This is the white onion, a little bit of vinegar. I begin to add my mixture. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of garlic with parsley, and I have half a teaspoon of sugar. It's optional. Begin to mix it very well. There's one more thing that I'm missing, and it's a tablespoon of some sort of jalapeno liquid. From the jars that you buy, those sliced nacho chiles, jalapenos, any type of chiles that you have. Begin to taste. I'm gonna add some olives, but I am gonna wait because I'm only gonna do half with olives because this is for a gathering and not everybody likes olives. These are optional. I love olives, so I'm gonna, if it was just for me, I would have added all of them. Gonna try the flavor. This potato salad is perfect. It doesn't need nothing. Everybody has a different taste. Now I'm adding my potato salad. To a container. Gonna add the olives. This is the way I will bring it to my gathering. This is how I'm going to present it to my gathering. Just remember to take something to serve it with. I hope you enjoyed this video and give this potato salad a try. Bring it to your next gathering. So it's time to take out my apron and go and spend some time with some family and friends, some good food. See you next time. Bye.